Hey, today we are at Disney's Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. We just got here. It is 4:19 and the party starts at 7 o'clock officially. There's somebody backing up with a ECV, so you can't hear us anymore. Okay, so the party officially starts at 7 o'clock. We're gonna try to catch a couple of rides, grab us something to eat before the party starts officially, so let's get going. Are you gonna get an allergy bag, Jason? Or a regular? No, we don't get a regular bag.
Carousel of Progress. It looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now as high as 20 stories. And moving pictures flicker up on a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about two brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work. Say, Mother, I was reading about a fellow named Tom Edison who's working on an idea for snap-on electric lights.
Electric lights? No more kerosene, no more gas.
Sarah sure gets to the core of the apple.
But we do have this new wash day marvel. Now it takes me only 5 hours to do the wash. Imagine, it used to take 2 days.
Oh, that's right, folks. Now Sarah has time for other things
like canning and cleaning the oven.
Yes, dear.
Ovens don't just clean themselves, you know.
I know, dear. Yes, Patricia?
Papa, all these people. I'm indecent.
Don't worry, Patricia. They're friends. That's our teenage daughter. She's getting ready to go to a Valentine's dance across town on one of those new horseless trolleys.
I think it's very romantic for taking Mother out for Valentine's dinner this year.
Well, you know what kind of sport I am.
I only hope I have an evening as romantic as yours.
Now you be home by 9 o'clock, daughter. You hear me? Phew, boy, hottest 4th of July we've had in years. We've come a long way, though, since the turn of the century, over 20-some-odd years ago. You know that pilot fella, Charles Lindbergh? He's about to fly a single-wing airplane all the way across the Atlantic. He's never going to make it. And sports stadiums are springing up all over. And boy, nobody hits that old horse hide like that new fella Babe Ruth. Jazz music is the cat's meow. And there's been ads in the paper for months for a movie starring Al Jolson. And he's going to talk and sing. Oh, boy, I've got to see that. Isn't it a pleasant holiday? Oh, turkey's in the oven, it's peaceful and quiet.
Yes! 300 points, my best score yet.
Well, it was peaceful until Santa brought that new virtual reality space pilot game.
Your turn, Grandma. Let's switch the image over to the TV so the resident flying ace can show you how it works. Now, it's a little tricky. Just use your game glove to fly behind the other guy and blast him with your laser blaster.
Laser blaster? Well, I'll give it a try.
Take a look around, Grandma. You're in the ship.
Feels like I'm really there.
Okay, get ready. You're about to blast off.
Here goes nothing. Whoa.
All right, here he comes. Oh, you missed him.
Hey everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do.
Great. Tell the refrigerator to bring me a root beer.
Well, it can't quite do that. But I'll show you something it can do. Tree lights 30% brighter.
Oh, that's no big deal. Anybody can do that voice-activated stuff. Watch this. Roar, speak.
Okay, so we came to, where are we at, baby? Cosmic Race? Yeah, we're at Cosmic Race. Yeah. We have a view of the castle from here, but it was raining, so we decided to come grab something to eat real quick because we were all starving because we didn't get a chance to eat because Jason was slow. We didn't get any food for the party because it's not out yet because it's only 5:30, but I got a #1, which is a some kind of cheeseburger. But it's got cheddar cheese sauce and bacon on it. And it comes with french fries. And Chris got the same thing. And Chad and Jason got chicken tenders and french fries. And you can't go wrong with chicken tenders and french fries, can you? And I'm just giving Jason a hard time about being slow today. He wasn't feeling good this morning. And in case you guys, I don't think we've talked about it up to this point. Jason broke his foot and he had to have surgery, so he's got this little booty on and he's in a wheelchair and we're having to wheel him around, which is okay. We don't mind because we love him. And we're all wearing these really cute matching shirts, if you can't see, that we got from Wally World. So that's like a cheddar cheese spread that Chris is smelling on the burger.
It's got onions in it.
It said it was a cheddar cheese spread. You gonna try it? You added tomato and lettuce and pickles to your burger, right? And mayonnaise? Chad just went and got him some mayonnaise. And I spilled a drink on top of one of the burgers. And they were very nice and gave us another one. How is it?
Speak to it.
He didn't realize it had a cheddar cheese spread on it when he grabbed it. I don't think. How's your chicken tenders? You can't really go wrong with chicken tenders, can you? But we do have a pretty good view of the castle from here. I'm trying to zoom in to see it. But yeah, you can see the castle from here, and it has stopped raining just as we got in here. But yeah, we were all starving, so we're gonna grub on this food and then go ride another ride. And Jason, it's good? They're good. Jason finally got to do the Carousel of Progress. Did you love it?
Yes. I loved it too.
Chad loved it too. That Chad's first ride ever at Disney World was the Carousel of Progress, but he loved it. Alright. I'm gonna try this burger now. I'm gonna try this burger.
She didn't even get nothing but a piece of meat and a half a piece, not even a nibble of a bun.
I got some cheese. But honestly, for a theme park burger, the meat's not bad. It's not bad.
For a guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots.
Bye, losers.
From Galaxy N31, please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
I was the same way on that one. And then when I got on it, the steering wheel, you can swing the steering wheel all the way around and all you know.
High-speed rocket board to distant deep space destinations.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
This is such a great story about how Ariel became a human. But that Ursula, oh, she's so mean. I'll make you human if you she says. And Ariel gets all flustered and goes to what she decided. Wait, let me start a new one. What no? I'm thinking that's now. I'll just tell you about it.
Okay, so it's 8 o'clock and we've tackled most of Tomorrowland. We are in Fantasyland.
Yes.
We just rode Little Mermaid. It has been raining quite a bit. It's kind of raining now, sprinkling kind of hard. Chris is covering the camera with his hand, with his hat to try to keep the rain off.
Can you wrap it up?
We've skipped Tron for now. We're gonna go try to ride Peter Pan and catch pirates and a few other things so we can hopefully catch the parade. But I think we've done pretty good so far. Alright, we're gonna close up the camera so it doesn't get wet. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, bye.
my eyes beheld an eerie sight. A baby That's Captain Jack. Captain Jack. Beware this pirate, the one.
They sure can play, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
Time to think big and exciting. It can dig down deep enough.
Happy Halloween, candy, corn, and sugar, still some bubble gum or licorice. Marshmallows and nuts, creams and gum-tops are delicious. Trick or treat, give me something good to eat. Oh, you should have seen your Happy Halloween.
Good evening, friends. Tonight, All Hallows Eve, your world and the magical world collide for but one night. A night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
Hocus Pocus party potion. The spell, sisters. Hand me the spell. What spell? What spell? The spell I asked you to hold on to give to me at a time like this. Oh.
We can't find it, Winnie.
Oh, why are they been cursed with such sisters?
Perhaps some chocolate will cheer you up.
Now, what is this?
Chocolate, dark chocolate, the only candy I like.
No, it's the spell.
Oh.
What is it doing?
Well. What have we here?
Why, I might ask the same thing of you. Well, what are you?
Why, I'm just little old Oogie Boogie. You know, the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to